Hey, are you a woman of faith? Listen up. If you are a leader, if you're currently running your business and you're running your household, whatever you're running, but you're currently consumed with worry, doubt, and fear, I want you to listen to this. You know, I've been battling this for a long time, trying to do things on my own strengths, trying to go one step forward, two steps back. Every time I had this hope, I had this inspiration, I was going forward, I was faced with resistance. And those resistance showed up in the form of anxiety, worry, doubt, and fear. Usually those are planted by the environment that we surround ourselves with. So having first of all the awareness to acknowledge what is going on, feeling those feelings. The world that we're living in right now at this moment in time, it's 2021. There's a lot of uncertainty, and that can cause a lot of anxiety, a lot of worry, doubt, and fear. And as a woman of faith, I just want to speak life into you. I just want to share with you that there is hope, there is more, that God has got great plans for you, plans to prosper you and to never harm you, to give you hope, to give you a future. He gave you a sound mind, power, and love. And when you stand in this confidence, nothing is impossible. So I want you to know that today you can release anything that is not from Him. He paid such a big price for you to live freely and abundantly. So do not let anyone or anything take away the peace that God has paid for you. As a fact, He has promised us peace, joy, love, kindness, self-control. We have to step into His goodness, into His blessings. It's not by our doings, but by His blessings and His grace. So allow me to speak life into you today, because I needed this reminder myself. I needed a sister to remind me too that God has got great plans for me, plans to give me hope, prosper me, and to never harm me. And when you stand in this truth, go with your head held high, shoulders back, and just walk into any room, any place with confidence. Speak your truth. Do not settle for anything less than your highest values. Identify what those values are. Step into your God values and God gifts, and do not allow anyone or anything plant the seeds of worry, doubt, or fear in your mind. Cut them out so they don't take root in your life, and plant in God's promises for you. Now, if you enjoy this kind of content from me, I'm looking forward to share more with you of God's truth, of how you can utilize them in your entrepreneurial journey, so you can equip yourself with His blessings, with His promises for your life, and walk into anything that you're about to be doing and what you're doing right now, your projects, the promises, the visions that He has planted in you. Did you know that all the dreams and things that you have inside of you, the visions, the dreams, they're not there for no reason. There's a purpose for this. What He has started in you, He's gonna bring into completion, and He's gonna position you in places that you couldn't even position yourself. He's gonna open doors for you. He's going to provide for you, guide you, protect you. That's actually going to be my prayer for you, that your mind constantly is in protection, that God is protecting you. He's opening things for you that you couldn't open for yourself, and that you acknowledge and give Him the glory. It's not by someone or something, it's God that is opening the doors for you. So allow Him to provide for you, to give you the resources, to really trust Him. But also, with God's will, He also gave us a free will. And we need to understand this, because we have a free will, and every single person, no matter what religion, no matter where they're coming from, what culture, we all have one thing in common: the power of free will, which is every single day, from moment to moment, you have a decision to make. You're either gonna be operating out of love or out of fear. And remember, anything that is coming from fear is not from God, so release that from your life. Sister, I hope this spoke to you for today. If it did, please let me know in the comments. I love to hear from you. Even gentlemen, if you hear from me and this spoken to you today, I want this to be an encouragement for you, and I want to share more raw content here with you. Just myself right now, I'm at the gym. It's the rooftop of my gym. I'm working out, and I'm just feeling, you know, I felt this message in my heart, and I trust it's gonna receive the right person at the right time. So if this is you, let me know in the comments, and I will see you at the next video. Mwah. Take care.